In the heart of a dense evergreen forest, where towering cedars and the scent of pine fill the air, a home emerges like a gentle whisper from nature itself. This modern rustic farmhouse, thoughtfully positioned along a gentle slope, offers a seamless integration with the land it inhabits. Unlike traditional structures that dominate the landscape, this home bows respectfully to its surroundings, nestled softly among the trees. The design invites the forest inside, blending natural materials and open forms to create a living space that is at once grounded and inspiring. It is not just a house, it is a retreat, a sanctuary shaped by its environment. The exterior is a masterclass in contrast and cohesion. A base of vertical whitewashed cedar siding brings texture and lightness to the structure, while warm gray fieldstone adds depth and weight to the base of the house. Large matte black aluminum-framed windows are rhythmically placed across the façade, allowing nature's rhythms to become a part of everyday life. Oversized glass pivot doors open onto a wraparound deck that hovers slightly above the moss-covered earth, providing a continuous dialogue between interior comfort and outdoor wilderness. The crisp geometry of the architecture is softened by its natural palette, achieving a timeless yet distinctly modern character. Inside, the main living room is a sanctuary of light and space. Triple-height ceilings with exposed oak beams elevate the space, creating a lofty, cathedral-like atmosphere. Floor-to-ceiling glazing on one side frames an ancient grove, making the trees feel like part of the decor. The interior walls are finished in natural lime plaster, their texture subtly reflecting sunlight throughout the day. A central fireplace clad in smooth basalt stone anchors the space, offering warmth both literal and visual. Low-slung furniture in earthy tones encourages gathering, reflection, and comfort, making this the soul of the home. Flowing effortlessly from the living room is the kitchen, a culinary haven where design and function meet. Here, minimalist walnut cabinetry provides rich tones, contrasted beautifully with creamy quartz countertops and handmade ceramic backsplash tiles. A 12-foot island doubles as a workspace and social hub, lit from above by a series of warm-toned pendant lights crafted by a local artisan. Top-tier appliances are subtly integrated, maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Thoughtfully placed skylights above the preparation area create an experience that changes with the hours. Morning light dances in golden beams, while evening brings a soft silver hue. dining area is positioned at the junction of structure and landscape, flanked by retractable glass walls that open to a fern-filled patio and water feature beyond. A 10-person dining table made from reclaimed Douglas fir sits beneath a floating cedar ceiling that mirrors the canopy outside. The sound of trickling water and birdsong becomes the ambient backdrop to meals, subtly reminding the inhabitants of their place in the natural world. It's not just a dining experience, it's an invitation to pause, breathe, and connect. Whether hosting guests or enjoying a quiet morning coffee, this space redefines what it means to dine at home. Tucked away in a secluded wing of a house, the master suite is more than a bedroom. It is a personal sanctuary shaped by light, texture, and tranquility. Large corner windows frame the forest outside like living artwork, allowing morning sunlight to spill softly across the room's natural oak flooring. Every detail here invites calm. A low-profile platform bed dressed in linen and cotton blends, custom oak wall panels that warm the space without overwhelming it, and ambient lighting that transitions gently from day to night. The ensuite bathroom elevates the retreat experience with a freestanding stone soaking tub, perfectly positioned beside a picture window that opens to ferns and filtered sunlight. Heated limestone flooring cushions each step, while hand-troweled plaster walls and brass fixtures add quiet elegance. This space doesn't just offer rest, it renews the spirit, echoing the peaceful rhythm of the forest beyond. While the master suite embraces solitude, the additional bedrooms are designed to foster connection while maintaining privacy. Each room incorporates nature-forward elements such as cedar accent walls and large operable windows that allow the sounds of the forest to enter gently. Shared bathrooms feature dual vanities and skylit showers with natural slate tile, enhancing the spa-like quality. Even the smallest details, built-in desks, reading nooks by the window, and integrated storage are crafted with care, making each space not only beautiful but deeply livable. These rooms reflect the home's overarching principle to support life as it unfolds naturally. Throughout the home, the material palette tells a story of restraint and respect. Pale oak floors run unbroken through each room, grounding the interior with a quiet continuity. Plaster, stone, wood, and matte black metal recur in varying forms, creating rhythm and balance. There are no loud statements here, only quiet confidence. Even the hardware and fixtures were selected with this ethos in mind. Brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, and artisan ceramic handles lend texture without overwhelming the senses. The result is a space that feels whole, where each element complements the next in a conversation of quiet design. Beyond the main home sits a modern barn structure, part entertainment space, part storage, part creative studio. With soaring ceilings and industrial-inspired steel trusses, this secondary structure plays with the themes of volume and versatility. Full-width sliding doors open to a gravel courtyard, perfect for seasonal gatherings, casual dinners, or quiet evenings around a fire pit. Inside, the space is intentionally raw yet inviting. Concrete floors, shiplap walls, and minimal furnishings allow for adaptation. This barn is a celebration of utility, beauty, and flexibility, echoing the farmhouse spirit, but with a distinctly contemporary twist. Sustainability isn't a footnote, it's a foundational principle. The home features passive solar design, radiant heating, reclaimed building materials, and a rainwater collection system that irrigates the surrounding landscape. Natural ventilation eliminates the need for constant mechanical cooling, and carefully positioned overhangs provide shade while preserving views. Every design choice, from the locally sourced stone to the low VOC finishes, was made with long-term environmental health in mind. In this home, living well means living responsibly. The structure respects the land it inhabits, giving back as much as it receives from its serene setting. This house, though newly built, feels like it has always been there, quietly existing in harmony with the forest, the creek, and the sky above. Its design honors the past while embracing the future, offering a place where daily life is enriched by architecture that listens, adapts, and uplifts. It is not about extravagance or showmanship. It is about soul, connection, and intention. For the Almaz audience, this home is a reminder that true luxury lies in simplicity, honesty of materials, and the deep comfort of belonging to a space, to nature, to oneself.